Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r : and hit enter to execute this command. Type C : and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space C : / and hit enter. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space C : / and hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space C : / bcd backup and hit enter. Type cd space C : / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space C : / and hit enter. Type attrib C : / boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type run space C : / boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.